Do not try this if you are not ready for your hair to actually grow extremely long, thicker, fuller and faster. Please, because what happened to my hair in just 14 days, I was not expecting it. If you are battling with stagnant growth, your hair is not growing for some months now, your hair is breaking easily, you are not retaining length, your hair is falling out excessively, please, this particular recipe is for you. Do well to watch this video to the end. And the crazy part is one of the ingredients is the secret of this powerful hair growth spray. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. I am going to show you everything, but first you need to understand why this works, because this is where most people got it wrong. If you miss this part, you may use it and see zero results. Our first ingredient is nettle leaf. You can use nettle powder or nettle leaf. The one I'm using now is nettle powder. Now, let me tell you something most people do not know about this nettle leaf. This is what people use when their hair completely stop growing. Yes, because nettle leaf do not just sit on your hair. It goes straight into your scalp and reactivates weak sleeping hair follicles. And once your follicles wake up, your hair has no choice but start growing again. But not only that, it blocks DHT. This is what causes hair loss. It strengthens weak roots so your hair stop falling out. It helps your hair grow back thicker, not just longer. So that is why people who use nettle consistently start seeing their hair come back alive faster. Our second ingredient is black pepper. I know this sounds crazy. Black pepper on your hair. Yes, black pepper in our hair. This is where the real magic happens. Black pepper creates a warming effect on your scalp, and what that does is it focuses blood to rush into your hair roots. When the blood flow increase, your hair growth speedily increase. Don't joke with this recipe, guys. People who complain that their hair is not growing, most time their scalp is just not activate, and black pepper fits that. Our third ingredient is calendula flower. This is the secret healer. Calendula flower is what repair your scalp from the inside. If your scalp is damaged, dry or irritated, your hair will never grow proper. But calendula smooths your scalp, repair damaged hair, reduce breakage, make your hair feel softer and stronger. Don't joke with this particular recipe, please. So while nettle is growing your hair, the black pepper is activating your roots, and calendula is making sure your hair stays healthy and not breaking. Please remember, this particular recipe is for those that are ready to grow their hair this year 2026, and I kid you not, if you can prepare this recipe and use it exactly the way I would direct you, I kid you not, your hair will definitely grow. This is 100% guarantee. If you have not tried other of my tea sprays, make sure you try this particular one, and it will be a total game changer for you. I'm not capping. Okay, so what I just did is to measure one tablespoon of each of these three powerful ingredients. Next thing is to be my pot and transfer them into a pot. I'm going to do boiling method this time around. If you're OG on the channel, you will know that I love doing infused method, but with this particular recipe I decided to do boiling method, and I would like to know why I do that towards the video. Okay, so once I transfer this into the pot, next thing is pour in my water, enough water. I know that will be enough for me to boil this. Okay, so the next thing now is to turn it with my spoon. After turning it, I bring it to a boil. As you can see, my heat is not high. Please, this is one mistake that a lot of people are doing while doing boiling method with their recipe. They increase the volume of their heat. Make sure your heat is not high, is not low, just medium heat. Don't use high heat, okay? Just boil this only but 5 to 7 minutes. Do not boil it more than 5 to 7 minutes, please. And once it has reached 5 to 7 minutes, I keep it away in a cool dark place. I like to sit there for 6 to 7 hours. Yes. So after 6 to 7 hours, okay, this is what I have so far. As you can see, the water is darker than when we boil it, okay? So this have released the nutrient properly. This is super potent right now, okay? Please and please do not boil this more than 5 to 7 minutes. Secondly, please don't use high heat to boil it. If you cannot control your heat, please go ahead and do infused method, please, okay? And after boiling it, don't go ahead and use it immediately. No, you will not get that good result immediately. I like to cool down. I like to sit for 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, okay? After then, now extract out the juice. Use something that have very tiny hole to extract out your tea spray, okay? So once I have done that, now I'm transferring it into my applicator bottle for easy application. Now this is where the magic began. How you use this matters a whole lot. If you use it wrongly, you will never achieve that good result. But if you use it correct way, you will see how your hair will grow like a weed. Your hair will grow super crazy, thicker, fuller, and healthier. You will never experience any scalp problem again, or any excessive hair fall, hair breakage, or hair shedding. So please cool down and watch this video carefully so that you will not make any single mistake that will ruin the entire results you're supposed to achieve with this particular single spray. Wait, before I show you how to apply this, you need to hear this part first. Yes, this is where most people fail. They spray and leave it. And this is most important, one of the mistakes a lot of people do. That's why no matter the type of product they use on their hair, they will never see results. So please, you need to be very conscious and use this in a right way so that you can see how magic this will work on your hair. So what you need to do is to section your hair while applying this on your hair, especially if your hair is not in a protective hairstyle. Make sure you work in section so far your hair can be packed. Make sure you work in section. It matters a whole lot. And spray this directly on your scalp. I repeat, spray this directly on your scalp. Another mistake again that cause people not to see results on their hair product is not massaging their scalp. You cannot spray product on your hair or apply product on your hair, especially on your scalp. You skip massaging the scalp. That is total wrong. So massaging your scalp will really help you to get good results in that product. It will help the product to activate more and give you better results. Increase blood flow to your scalp. And when blood flow to your scalp, you know what that means? Your hair will your hair growth will increase. Your hair will grow faster and you achieve more thicker hair and more benefit with that particular product you are using on your hair. So if you do not massage your scalp, you are wasting your time, okay? Any product you are using, if you do not massage your scalp, you are wasting your time. Especially this particular product, you must massage your scalp. So be honest, how many of you actually massage your scalp properly? I would love to know that in comment section below, okay? The next mistake that people do so much that make them not to get good results on the product they are using and make their hair to be breaking off, brittle, damage and frizz is not following up with leave-in conditioner. Make sure you seal in with your leave-in conditioner after applying this on your hair. Do not do that mistake by leaving your hair without following up with a leave-in conditioner and a hair growth oil. Please don't do that mistake. Make sure you do this, okay? It's very, very important. Okay, so now please do not do this again. Do not store this for long time, please. This spray can last only but 5 days in your refrigerator. Anywhere that remaining, please discard it because it has loses its power. It's no longer potent. Okay, this part is very, very important. Okay, so once you start using this consistent, you start noticing crazy growth. From 3 days to 2 days, your scalp will felt different. 7 days, your hair will look more surprising. You start noticing less breakage, baby hair coming out, and you start getting a lot of change on your hair. Okay, so if your hair has been stuck for months, I understand that frustration, but sometimes it's not that your hair is not growing. You just have not used the right combination yet. So if you tried this, comment 14 days below and I want to see your results. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Do wait to subscribe if you have not. Like this video please and share this video to your family and friends, so it will help you to push out this video so that it can reach more people and help them to grow their hair this year. Okay, so guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed, dear. Bye.